So hello dudes and dudettes, and today we are going to game on again in Dragon Ball Z Kakarot. तो चलो भाई, जिधर से हम लोगों ने लीव किया था लास्ट टाइम गेम को, उधर से कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं। गेम ने मुझे यहाँ पे स्पॉन किया था, तो मैंने सोचा कि थोड़ा आगे आगे क्यों ना गोकू का फेस ही दिखा दूँ। तो चलो चलते हैं अब। लेट्स टॉक टू फ्रिलन अगेन। लास्ट एपिसोड में जैसा इधर हम छोड़ के गए थे। So he's got your looks, but does he have your power too? हाँ, हम लोग लास्ट टाइम गोहान की बात कर रहे थे। I bet that he's pretty strong if I had to guess, but I can't be sure since CT won't let me train him to find out one way or the other. Are you? हाँ, यहीं से। Are you sure you want to continue the story? Yes, sir. Okay. ये क्या है? Oh, अच्छा, Raditz का space pod. Hey, Dad, what was that? Not sure. लिपसिंग मैच की थी भाई गोकू की उसके डायलॉग्स के साथ। ऑफ कोर्स मैच करेगी भाई। नहीं, मेरे को लग रहा था नहीं। सन गोकू द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट फाइटर इन द वर्ल्ड लीड्स अ हैप्पी लाइफ एंड कम हिज होम विद हिज न्यू फैमिली हैव बीन ब्लेस्ड विद अ चाइल्ड। गोकू मेक्स हिज वे टू द कामे हाउस वेरी इंटेंस टू इंट्रोड्यूस हिज सन्स टू हिज टीचर मास्टर रोशी। ये हम लोग पहले भी पढ़ चुके हैं लास्ट एपिसोड के अंदर। नहीं, हाँ पढ़ चुके हैं। ओके, ऑथेंटिक सा विलन की एंट्री वाला म्यूजिक। यस half.
What is it? It ain't no meteor.
Yes sir, it's not. आ गया भाई Raditz. ओ भाई, those legs भाई। calves देखो, calves. Crazy muscle definition. Of course he's a Saiyan, that's why भाई।
Just as I thought, the creatures on this planet are still alive. Kakarot's failed us. Who or what are you?
वही फटेगी तो है ही तुम्हारी।
A power level of only 5? What trash.
Oh yes sir.
Stay back!
उस बार मेरे को लग रहा है शॉटगन से मार देगा उसको। Oh damn, Bro just killed him with a bullet.
Is this the best this planet can muster? Well, now here's the large power reading. Distance 4880.
पक्का पिकलो की होगी या तो नहीं, मुझे जहाँ तक लगता है पिकलो की होगी। ओके, लेट्स सी किसकी है। हाँ, told you पिकलो की होगी। Told you.
What in the world could that have been?
Bro, sense danger, bhai. I've never felt a power like this. Are we going to fight? नहीं, हम लोग पिकलो को यूज करेंगे अभी। We are going to play as Piccolo. Yes.
LS while trying to boost and fly at a high speed, boosting a few keys, so keep an eye on your key. Resumption as you boost, your key will automatically recover when you stop boosting. Okay, समझ गया। Use LT to enter a first person view while this view, press X to fire key blast, or to hold a button fire to charge a hard to stand and make it catch you also train and others to multiple side a variety of things while on screen. Okay. समझ गए अपने। You can find training tunnels called airways, okay. Twin tunnels, called airways, in every area traveling through airways is a great way to collect geodes. You can enter one by touching either the entrance or at any point along the tunnel. Once you're in, you'll automatically be carried through it by the window. Now, you can exit an airway with boosted flight, but you won't be able to enter one while boosting. Okay. Phantom airways are rare airways that appear on the field. They not only contain more Seahawks than normal airways, but they also contain rarer types of Seahawks and items. However, they will disappear once you leave the area. So if you find one, make sure to ride it while you can. Okay.
Okay. जाना उधर है ना। उसको लग रहा है गोकू है भाई, पिकलो को लग रहा है गोकू। क्या हो गया भाई? Oh, something's attacking Piccolo. एक सेकंड ही क्या था? आ जा भाई तू आ।
This'll end it! Damn it!
Be explosive.
Die!
Let's go. अरे मरा नहीं?
Die!
Okay, so he has to be close to us in order to die. Okay, बहुत हो गया. चार्ज कैसे करूं? Mother! This super attack which you use your okay. Attack with opponent and fire off. You can successfully targeting an opponent clearly extra damage. These attacks come into two different like one in which you fire off multiple blasts. As you move to the person and one in which you hold off target and fire a blast. Okay, the latter is particularly useful if you favor accuracy or the target is small and hit hard to hit. And hard to hit. Bro is not letting me kill him, bhai. मर गया. तो हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं चेकआउट करने. नीचे यही है नीचे. Don't tell me I stay again got into a fight भाई. तुमको नहीं लड़नी अभी. चलो इधर जा रहे हैं अपन उधर ही. ओके लेट्स गो. आ गया भाई. So it wasn't Kakarot after all. नहीं था भाई. Who the hell are you? I don't have time to waste with your Reddits. Wait a minute. Is this a Namekian? Isn't it? What the hell is a Namekian doing on this planet? Is that true? When Piccolo बोल रहा है कि is that true? Then what are you even doing here? If you got a death wish. You got spunk like that. इसकी पावर लेवल कितनी है? 322. हाँ, a power level 322. हाँ, you're definitely stronger than the others. But you wouldn't even be a warm-up for me. You're making a mistake and underestimating me. Oh, don't tell me. We are going to have a fight with them, buddy. इसको पंचेस के साथ ही मारो.
No way!
अरे यार बच गया वो. कहाँ गए? हाँ मिल गए. आप भी तो खत्म करके रखा रेडिट. ये मेरा अटैक हमेशा डॉज कर देता है क्योंकि उसको पता है मैं डैश करके आ रहा हूँ. गार्ड अगेंस्ट अटैक पे. अरे पता है भाई गार्ड का तो मेरे को सीन पता है लेकिन फिर भी हमें गार्ड नहीं करता. तभी इन लोगों ने बताया. ओ प्रेस एक्स व्हाइल गार्डिंग टू सेंटर. ओके समझ गए. ओके क्रेडिट्स का हो गया बहुत हंगामा. अच्छी बात तो हो रही है. इतना तो मैं बोलूंगा. फिनिश दैट्स ऑल. हाँ ओके. रेनबो ऑफ मिले भाई. रेनबो ऑफ मिले. हैट्स ऑफ. सो आई नो वी गेट टू प्ले एज अदर कैरेक्टर्स. मतलब डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स के साथ हम लोग खेल सकते हैं. दैट्स ऑल. हाँ What? Is it my turn now? Time to show you what real power looks like. I'm getting another large power reading. Oh, that's got to be Kakarot. पिकोलो की फट की भाई हाथ में आ गई. Impossible. वो शॉक था भाई पिकोलो. Who the hell is this guy? देखते हैं अब Raditz किस तक पहुंचता है, Krillin या फिर Goku. Let's see. Let's see भाई, देखते हैं किसके पास पहुंचता है Krillin. Arriving suddenly in a strange port from outer space, a mysterious man with just a tail, Goku makes his way on. Makes a go. हाँ ठीक है. Goku के पास है. Shortly after landing, he handily defeats Piccolo and one of the Earth's most formidable fighters. Okay. मैं इतना जल्दी जल्दी में पढ़ रहा हूँ भाई, मेरे को अजीब सा लग रहा है. हाँ, Goku sensed him. जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ रहा हूँ, इसलिए बहुत फंबल करता हूँ. Hehehe. Well, if it isn't Kakarot, you've grown. You just look like our old man. What? Tell me, Kakarot, what is this? You were supposed to exterminate all life on this planet. What have you been doing all this time? Who are you and who's Kakarot? Should I know who that is? You've got to be kidding me. You don't remember? Allow me to refresh your memory. You're not from this filthy planet. You were born on planet Vegeta. You're a member of the proud and mighty warrior race, the Saiyans. And that's not all. I'm your older brother, Raditz. You're lying. That can't be true. Long ago, you were sent to this pathetic planet to get rid of all of life. We Saiyans search the universe for habitable planets and wipe out all who live there, so that we can sell those planets to the highest bidder. Weak, snot-nosed brats like you are sent to low-level planets like this. Unfortunately, it looks like this one's got a moon. If this guy's telling the truth, then these Saiyans are some real bad dudes. But wait, what about the moon? What does that have to do with anything? Don't play dumb with me. We Saiyans release our true power whenever there's a full moon. Even chumps like you should know that. I don't know what you're talking about. You know, I think Krillin's right. You guys are the ghosts. My name's Son Goku, and I'm from Earth. Take your lies and get out of here. Hehehe. Well, I couldn't even if I wanted to. Because planet Vegeta was blown to smithereens by a meteor. Almost all of our brethren have been turned to space dust now. मैं इतना कैरेक्टर में घुस गया हूँ भाई, मैं बात करना ही भूल गया तुम लोगों से. My bad. And yeah, जिसने भी प्लैनेट वेजिटा को उड़ाया ना भाई, तो मैं स्पॉइलर दे रहा हूँ. स्पॉइलर अलर्ट. 5 सेकंड स्किप कर सकते हो तो कर दो, ठीक है. That was Frieza. ठीक है, जिसने भी प्लैनेट वेजिटा को उड़ाया, that was Frieza भाई. Including me and you, there are only 4 Saiyans left. Yes, yes sir. सिर्फ 4 Saiyans बचे और 4 Saiyans हैं. Vegeta, Goku, Raditz, and the last Saiyan, you guys know it all. It's Broly. Just the other day we found a planet that should fetch us a high price. The 3 of us were going to have a hell of time trying to overtake it. And that's when I remember you, Kakarot. The planet is good as ours if you join us. Come on, Kakarot. Think of the fun we'll have. Isn't your Saiyan blood boiling with excitement? Just shut up if you think I'm joining you. Then you're dumber than you look. Fine, be that way. Gohan ki phati padi hai bhai. That little runt with the tail behind you is your kid, right? I guess I'll take him instead. Huh? Come any closer and I'll knock you high. Nee, I'll knock you sky high. Back off. Hey. Oh yeah, well go ahead. If you think you can. Oh. Is Goku going to fight now? Gohan's not going anywhere with you. Okay, I know. Oh, यहीं पे होगी लड़ाई? नहीं, वो लोग कहीं और जाने वाले हैं भाई. क्या बोल रहा हूँ? हर अटैक से पहले. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock. Oh, बच गया. उस समय जो दिखाया था ना कि रैडिट ने पिक्चर को हरा दिया था, ये उस समय इसलिए दिखाया था कि ये रैडिट जो है मेन एनिमी के अंदर, ठीक है, पिक्चर को सही में हरा दिया, इसलिए हम लोगों ने तो गेम में हरा दिया भाई। आजा Let's go! Finish! What? देखो अब मिला, रेड ऑफ मिला। गोकू रीच लेवल 3, नाइस। ये क्रेजी हो गया भाई। अभी जैसे जैसे हिट हो रहा है ना, सब समझ में आ रहा है। Yes, Raditz knocked out गोकू। इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे Raditz बहुत खुश होता है भाई। Wow! अच्छा, Gohan है। Don't worry, Kakarot. I'll make sure to take good care of the boy. If you want him back, then you better do as your big brother says. इसको ना बड़ा भाई बनाना चाहिए था। Give him back. Gohan क्या रो रहा है भाई एकदम? And don't even think about trying to be a hero. No. Bulma, you still got that dragon radar? Ha! Oh, I get it. That decoration on Gohan's hat was a Dragon Ball. Ha! Gohan की hat नहीं थी पहली बात, Grandpa Gohan की थी. All right, I'm off. It's now or never. You're as good as dead on your. अरे पढ़ने भी नहीं दिया यार, ये जल्दी हटा दिया. Everyone, Piccolo. Neither of us has what it takes to face him head on. At least if we tried on our own. But together, if we were to team up, we just might be able to take him down. हाँ, Piccolo गोकू भाई इस point of time पे इतने close नहीं थे, ठीक है? Yeah, you're probably right, but I can really test you. What's your angle in all this? Yeah, अब ये Frieza वाली बात होगी, पता है? Don't get the wrong idea. ये तब की बात होगी जब Frieza Tournament of Power खेल रहा था गोकू के साथ. Isn't that here the slide is about a little kid or the Earth? Yes, true. That fool is the only thing standing between me and the world domination. Bro is just a aura farmer, bhai. The moment he and his cronies are out of the picture, yes, I'd finally rid myself of you, and the world would be mine for the taking. Cronies, वो Vegeta और Nappa का भी बात कर रहा है. You're crazy if you think I'm about to let that happen, but for now, I guess we gotta join forces. एक सेकंड, जो रुको, हाँ, guess that there's no getting around that, हाँ, there's really no getting around that. Precisely. वो डायलॉग्स खत्म होने तो मैं तुम लोगों को एक चीज बताऊंगा. हाँ, तो जैसे कि मैं कह रहा था कि जो उसने 4 सेंस की बात बताई ना, उसमें नापा भी आ रहा था, ठीक है? तो मैंने ब्रोली, पता नहीं शायद से गलत एग्जांपल ले लिया ब्रोली का, ठीक है? लेकिन ब्रोली वाज अनदर सेन इफ दे डोंट नो, क्योंकि उन लोगों को तो क्या पता याद रहे ना रहे, ठीक है? सही में उन लोगों को क्या पता याद रहे ना रहे, ठीक है? तो हाँ, ब्रोली तो सबको लग रहा था ब्रोली उस प्लांट एक्सप्लोजन में मर गया है भाई. मैं पता नहीं, मैं ज्ञान झाड़ रहा हूँ, सबको लग रहा होगा मैं गंदा ज्ञान झाड़ रहा हूँ अभी, ठीक है? नो स्पॉयलर्स, चलो. ऑल राइट, टाइम टू गो. वेट गोकू, टेक दिस वीडियो. यू हैव रिसीव्ड द आइटम. बोल तो ऐसे रहे हैं. Vita drink. Okay, Vita drink. What's this? It's a quick acting recovery drink. If you ever in a pinch, take a swig of that. Okay. Try setting a recovery item to your item palette. दिखाओ भाई, item palette खोलो. Register palette. Confirm. Back. Awesome. Thanks, Bulma. Better not die on me. Okay. Enough. Let's go. पिक्लो भी बोला भाई, हो गया बस. देखो, मेरे को एक चीज गलत लगती है भाई. बल्मा इतना केयर करती है गोकू का, फिर भी गोकू गॉट मैरिड टू चीची. राइट. फ्लाइंग निम्बस. बुलाओ भाई, निम्बस बुलाओ, निम्बस. Crazy cinematic shots. Hold tight, Gohan, we're coming. Hold tight, Gohan, we're coming. हाँ, मैंने एक डायलॉग ऊपर पढ़ दिया यार. Earth Team. पढ़ने नहीं दिया इन लोगों ने, इतना जल्दी लेके चले गए. Shenron, you're a menace. Okay, हम लोग चलाएंगे अभी गोकू को. Head towards Luca village on the map. Okay. Where the f is Luca village, guys? You really don't recall any? अरे यार, nope, nothing coming. I was hoping you would. भाई ये लोग पर्दे दे रहे, इतना जल्दी कर रहे हैं ये लोग. I think we have to go here. मैं वापस काम में आ जा रहा हूँ. Wait, let's open the map. Where's the map, भाई? Wait. हाँ, खुल गया map. इधर जाना है हम लोगों को लूका विलेज. Where's the लूका विलेज, भाई? They are not showing me लूका विलेज. Fruit training deposit. The turtle school training. Where is the लूका विलेज?
Two very boring minutes later.
Are you sure भाई तुम लोग मेरे को नहीं दिखाना चाहते हो? Oh मिल गया. लग ही रहा था वर्ल्ड मैप. East Ravine area has been unlocked. Okay. Luca village. Confirm. Go to Luca village in East Ravine area. Yes, sir. Oh, we can teleport. That's nice. That's nice, boy. We can teleport. Right, it's a man claiming to be Goku's brother as a member of a warrior race known as the Saiyans promptly defeats Goku and makes off with Gohan. Piccolo then arrives and the two agree to team up. Okay. Yes. बाद में ये अच्छा है भाई स्टोरी रिकैप दे देते हैं ये लोग शॉर्ट समरी ऐसा लग रहा है इंग्लिश पढ़ रहा हूँ You can now fly while playing as Goku. Okay. ठीक है dismount नीचे vehicle palette समझ गया right selected vehicle. Okay. आ जा भाड़ में गया बिजी और मैं जा रहा हूँ Raditz को मारने या तो छोड़ो भाई भाड़ में गया गो हाजी ऑफ पहले आते हैं might cause some trouble. Oh यार तुम लोग पढ़ने नहीं देते हो एक तो ये We're closing on him. Let's head. Let's tell him that's our strength. Safe to say he probably knows where. Gotcha, I'm getting it. Hi, there he is. Look, time to land. They are so fucking fast, why they don't even let me read. Okay, using the boiled fish Chi-Chi made for me. Select the which character. I prefer Goku. Okay. By eating the meal, the character has become stronger. Okay, yes sir. चलो भाई. Oh, Raditz को पता चल गया. What's this? Power level of 710. What the hell? Kakarot's kid? No way. Damn, this thing must be busted. है भाई तेरे को बाद में पता चलेगा. What another reading and it's heading straight for me. There's one. No, there's two with power levels of 322 and 334. They've come. So what brings you chumps here? Isn't it obvious? I'm here to get my son back. Where is he? You're hiding him somewhere, aren't you? He's screaming. He was giving me a headache, so I locked him up in there. But forget about the runt. Don't tell me you actually think you stand a chance against me? You fool! You're not even fit to call yourself a Saiyan. Prepare to die. Piccolo ready हो गया भाई fight के लिए. आजा Reddit. रुक जा. अरे चालू हो गए. आजा. Piccolo go भाई. Guard. आज इसका किस्सा खत्म कर दे भाई ये रैकेट. Great. You dodged it, right? ये कॉम्बो बढ़िया था. Okay. बहुत हो गया. अब बहुत हो गया.
Rock, paper, scissors! Rock! Paper, scissors! This!
ओह यार, ये एक तो डॉज कर लेता ना, उस पे बहुत गुस्सा आता है मेरे को. ओके. मत बोला मैंने पिगलो को भी दे दिया भाई. How dare you hurt Gohan? It's only a small matter of putting a little more warmth into my heart. तुम लोग छोड़ो भाई, तुम लोग पढ़ने मत दो. You can read guys. तुम लोग पॉज करके पढ़ लेना.
My power!
पिगलो तू ही मार भाई. Let me charge up भाई. Let me charge up. मेरे को क्यों लग रहा है मैं मार सकता हूँ. आजा. Defend, Goku, defend. एक और खामे. You dodged it, right? अभी नहीं मार सकता. My power, guys. Goku, तू चार्ज कर. तो इसे अब सही में finish. Damn, let's go. Damn, brother, damn. Goku reached level 4, Piccolo reached level 3. Nice. Oh. Okay, Raditz को गुस्सा आ रहा है. Even with your combined power, you're still pathetic. Pathetic से फ्रीजा का डायलॉग याद आ रहा है भाई. Tournament of Power जब वो जीरेन को रोस्ट कर रहा था. But considering you weren't smart enough to heed my warning, don't deserve to live. देखते हैं कौन जीएगा कौन मरेगा भाई. You gotta be kidding me. एकदम कैरेक्टर में घुस जाओ भाई. You know what? Since you're going to die anyway, I might as well as tell you something. The two Saiyans I mentioned earlier, they're even more powerful than me. अभी लोगों ने ये बोल के इसकी फाड़ दी भाई. हाँ ठीक है, आगे बढ़ो भाई. If you got a new attack hidden up your sleeve, now's the time to use it, Goku. Piccolo के पास आ गया idea. Hey. Sorry, I'm fresh out. Lucky for you, I actually came up with a new technique while I was training. बेचारी गोकू को भाई, really? गोकू को बल्मा ट्रेन करने नहीं देती. A blank, ha. It better be easier to lie down and wait for the sweet release of death. I'm just gonna need enough time to charge up the proper energy for it. Gonna need you to keep him busy while I deal with this. Okay. So let's buy Piccolo some time, guys. Tab tak, aaja. I'll do what I can. Hope you're ready for this. Yes, sir. I'm ready for this. Special beam cannon. You just don't know when to quit. Yeah. We are the protector of the earth. I am the Saiyan, awakened by the fury of the heart. मैंने पता नहीं क्या बोला, गोकू का डायलॉग बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा था. आजा. गार्ड. Oh shit, मैं गार्ड का नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. सामने आ. भागो उसके पास जाओ. आजा. मारो. अरे तो इसे डॉजिंग में अटैक. Guard, guard. Bro, he's not even letting me guard, bhai. Aja.
Here goes!
Let me show you who I am.
Try this!
Okay, okay. This fight is getting intense. लेकिन देखते हैं क्या होता है भाई. At the end of the day, जीतना तो हमें है भाई.
Whoa!
Bro, I got it.
Try this! Here goes!
Nice. Guard, guard. क्या बोल दिया मेरे भाई? आजा, आजा.
Try this! Try this! No!
He's gonna save you. Are you actually one can save you? He's long ahead dead. पता नहीं क्या था. कर दिया मैंने भाई. A gift. आजा, आजा. मैंने अपना मीठा ड्रिंक यूज किया है भाई.
This game ends now.
No, Radit. Guard, guard, guard.
What? No!
अरे यार. Shit भाई, अब डर लग रहा है. But don't be scared. Oh, that's time. It's my time. It's my time. It's another. Let's do another Kamehameha. नहीं, अभी नहीं. पास जा सकते. अब दो. Okay. Defense. Fast. अब आ. डॉज कर लिया है. ये नहीं करना चाहिए था तेरे.
Whoa! Try this!
आजा.
Here goes!
Guard. Shit, guard. Excellent.
Try this!
Okay. अभी हो रहा है क्रेजी मामला पानी भाई. मामला पानी अभी हो रहा है.
Try this! Try this! Here goes! Try this! Take this! Here goes!
हमें Oh, I don't have energy. Charge कर भाई. Charge कर. Okay. आजा. Okay. मैं अपने पावर फॉर्म में तभी समझ गया.
Here goes! My power!
My power. नहीं. खत्म होने से पहले भाई ये फॉर्म
This
खत्म होने से पहले.
game ends now.
This doesn't end now भाई. Doesn't end now. This will not end now भाई. Not end now. और it will नहीं हो ही नहीं सकता. अरे यार. Damn it.
No way.
उसके पास जाओ. इसने मेरी पावर लेवल खत्म कर दी है और फिर नाटक कर रहा है. और फिर आ गया भाई. गिफ्ट नहीं चाहिए तेरा. फालतू गिफ्ट. एक तो डैमेज अलग और दे रहा है तेरा गिफ्ट. घटिया लिचड़ गिफ्ट. I am letting all my emotions fly through भाई. क्या हो रहा है?
Whoa!
Shit, my bad.
Here goes!
No way.
Try this!
लगाई था मारेगा.
Try this!
ओके भाई ये नहीं देना चाहिए था यार। रन भाई तू भाग अभी तू भाग। गार्ड 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 मारो मारो मारो।
Try this.
सारे एक्सॉस्टेड है भाई।
Paper scissors. Yeah. Try this. How's this?
I don't need your number gift भाई। ऑन कर लेगा। इसके पास जाके इसको पहले पास जाओ।
Try this.
हाँ चलो मारो मारो। Bro, he dodged it again. उसकी हेल्थ बहुत कम है, उसकी हेल्थ बहुत कम है। We have to take him down.
Try this.
This game ends
नहीं फिर ये आ गया इसका। ओके देखो अभी डिफेंस हम लोगों को अपने डिफेंस पे भी ध्यान देना है क्योंकि देखो हम लोगों का अभी जो फाइनल हेल्थ आ रहे हैं वो नहीं वाला है। लगा ही था यार।
Playtime's over.
नहीं अरे नहीं Bro, let me get away. नहीं shit नहीं।
Emotional damage.
We have to again fight him. Try this battle again. Yes. Okay. आ जाओ अब बताते हैं। अब तो अच्छे से मारूंगा भाई।
Here goes.
बहुत हो गया भाई।
My power.
Bro just runs away भाई। Bro is a runner. आ जाओ। अभी आ जाओ Play time's over. How? हाँ ओ इस अटैक से बचना सीख गया मैं। आ जाओ।
Here goes.
आ जाओ।
Rock, paper, scissors.
आजा।
My power.
Bro, go. अभी हार मत मान Yes, I used the meter ring. Because मैंने यूज नहीं कर पाया था पता नहीं क्यों। अभी I used it. Your gift भाई, your gift. एक तो आज Here's your DLA 2 return
This. Here goes.
Damn you भाई।
Take this.
Okay. हाँ एक
Try this. Take this.
हाँ यही कर बस।
Game ends
Just done it and now भाई।
What? No.
जाओ उसके पास जाओ उसके पास जाओ हाँ मैं अपने मौके चूक रहा हूँ भाई
Try this! Take this! Try this!
बॉडी ब्लो
Rock, paper, scissors! Rock!
Okay, I don't even have enough power.
Try this!
Okay. Okay, अब बताते हैं. Let's say I'm in that form. I'm in that form. अब आओ. Oh यार इसको. भाई पहला बैटल में हार गया उसका बहुत दुख रहा है. तो अभी अच्छे से बचाना पड़ेगा.
Here goes! My power!
My power,
This
my power.
game ends now.
Got it. Pathetic. Your pathetic power level. Bro, how couldn't I do this? जाओ उसके पास जाओ उसके पास जाओ उसके पास जाओ उसके पास जाओ ब्रदर yes this is it ये फाइट हम लोग को जीतनी पड़ेगी ये फाइट हम हार नहीं सकते ओके आ जाओ
Rock, paper, scissors! Got!
we can't lose this fight we can't lose this fight मैं फोकस कर मेरा ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाओ भाई मैं फोकस कर आजा मैं तेरे को मारने में नहीं मारना मार खाऊंगा भाई Damn you! आजा आबा I'm just managing fight. I won't let you attack me.
This game ends now.
Ah, shit. अच्छा हुआ मैंने इसको ऐड किया ये टाइम मारो ना साले को
No way!
Okay, let's go!
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
हम लोग हमेशा पहले बैड एंडिंग ही लेते हैं क्रेजी लग रहा है सीन मस्त लग रहा है भाई
His power level, it's 1330.
Yes.
He's focusing all of his power into his fingertip.
हाँ
Damn it! He's got that much control over his energy!
गोकू ने पकड़ लिया इसकी पूंछ पकड़ ली हाँ
You let your guard down! Now I got your tail!
हाँ
Damn it! When did you?
Good work, Goku! Hold on to that tail and don't let go no matter what!
Wait! Let me go! I'll leave this planet in peace!
नहीं
Don't
अभी हम
listen to him, Goku! He's trying to trick you!
Please, please,
हाँ
believe me, brother! I'm begging you, Kakarot! Don't do this to your only family!
देखा 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 हाँ
I can't believe you fell for it! You might actually be the dumbest guy I've ever met! Don't think I'm going to show you mercy just because you're my little brother! Yes! Yes, that's what I
पहले
like
बहुत
to
बुरा लगता है
hear!
भाई
It'll
उसके
only
रिच
over
जाते हैं
soon!
हट यार
Don't get comfortable! You're next!
Damn, if I try to hit him now, he's just going to dodge it.
हाँ यार This scene's hurting me. Oh yes, time to rise, Gohan. Yeah. Yes, sir. Gohan destroyed him. Goku, ut.
What is this kid?
He's a beast.
You're dead! Where did you get all this power? Piccolo! Now's your chance!
Special beam cannon!
Yes, sir. इसमें गोकू के लिए भी बुरा लगता है कि वो भी हो जाता है अनअलाइव. Yes, Goku versus Raditz S, Goku versus Raditz A. So after all we got A. Yes, sir. Impossible. I can't be beaten by scum like this. I can't. Well, you just were. I can't believe that Kakarot would just throw away his own life. You idiot, trust me, Goku won't be dead for very long. What? Didn't you know this planet is home to Dragon Balls? They grant wishes absolutely any wish imaginable, even bringing someone back from the dead. Damn it. Well, my comrades will be happy to hear that. Everything you just said was transmitted to them. On the other side of the universe. उसके पास वो device थी इसलिए. Once they've learned that I've died, I will come here. Oh, sorry. Once they've learned that I died, they will come here. Yes. How long until they? When will they? When do you think they'll get here? A year, just 1 year from now. Damn it, 1 year before even stronger warriors arrive. You two have no hope of beating them. Enjoy what little time you have left. Come to mom. आ गए बलमा लोग. Master Roshi, Krillin and others all arrive on the scene. Yes. Piccolo proceeds to explain everything to them. Raditz death, the other Saiyans, and what happened to Goku. मेरे को अभी भी उस फर्स्ट फाइट के लिए बहुत गिल्ट हो रहा है भाई. That's pretty much. Second fight में तो भाई मैं अवेक नहीं हो गया था. कसम से. Come on Goku, hang in there. It's not like you to give up so easily. Krillin, you know, dying is a lot worse than I thought it would be. Yeah, but don't worry, we're gonna bring you back really soon. Thank you. भाई शेनरॉन के बॉल्स मतलब मेरा मतलब ड्रैगन बॉल्स बेचारा को कुचल बसा. हाँ तो मैं क्या कहा था, ड्रैगन बॉल्स में है भाई ताकत. देखो, they could bring back someone dead जो जिनी भी नहीं कर पाया था अलादीन का. Interesting. I bet Kami has something to do with this. Huh? Well, I guess we can put on our minds at ease if Kami is involved. You guys need to get the Dragon Balls. Kami doesn't possess the power needed to bring someone back to life. Also, Goku's kid will be coming with me for the time being. What? You're kidding, right? What are you gonna do with him? With a little training, the right teacher, that kid could be capable of serious power. हाँ, बात बहुत सही बोली है इसने. We're going to need all the power we can get before those two Saiyans show up in a year's time. Me training this little runt is our best shot to stand a chance. सब runt बोल रहे हैं लेकिन यार गोहान को once Goku's revived, tell him he'll get his son back and in better shape than that he left him. Okay. Story rewards. ठीक है. Level up.
Meanwhile, on a planet far, far from Earth.
ये कौन सा planet था? हाँ, ये था ना. सुन ली होगी इसने सारी बात.
The bastard went and got himself killed.
Yes.
He always was an embarrassment. Still, I must admit, I'm very interested in these Dragon Balls.
Oh, Vegeta is interested in
So they're
Shenron balls.
capable of granting any wish? Alright, let's go.
We're gonna bring Raditz back from the dead?
Don't make me laugh. We have no more use for that dead weight.
True.
We could wish for eternal youth, for immortality. Can you imagine it?
Yes.
Nothing could possibly stand in our way.
बाद में भाई
Sounds
मेरे को
good to me.
चेंज हो जाता
Count
है.
me
मैं स्पॉइलर दे रहा हूँ. हाँ. तुम लोगों को भी पता ही होगा स्पॉइलर देने की क्या जरूरत है भाई.
Invigorated by the
Great
prospect
action
of attaining immortality with the Dragon Balls, the two Saiyans made their way to Earth.
Okay. Raditz proved to whatever little power with it. Arey yaar, the dangerous Saiyan duo began to make their way to the Earth. Okay. Meanwhile, Goku, having died in the battle against Raditz, stood alongside Kami at the entrance to the other world. Okay, so guys, let's not fasten up things, ठीक है? तो हम लोग आगे प्रोसीड करेंगे अपने अगले एपिसोड के अंदर, ठीक है? And till then, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed already, and then like this video if you like this video. एक सेकंड, क्या बोला मैंने जस्ट अभी? That just rhymed भाई. हाँ, तो अगर तुम्हें वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक कर देना मत भूलना, और ये अपने इस वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ मत करना, फ्रेंड्स के साथ कर सकते हो शेयर. Yes, and we'll meet you guys in the next one. So till then, take care, dudes and dudettes, and bye.